Public sector banks, including State Bank of India, on Monday urged unions to reconsider their decision to go on a 2-day nationwide strike and invited them for further discussions. Bank unions under the United Forum of Bank Unions umbrella have called a strike on December 16th and 17th against the proposed public sector bank privatization. In the budget 2021-22, the government had announced its intent to take up the privatization of 2 public sector banks. The country's largest lender, SBI, in a tweet urged its staff members to reconsider their decision and refrain from participating in strike. Canara Bank, in a tweet, said the bank had called a meeting with the relevant stakeholders on December 14th to discuss various issues. UCO Bank made a humble request through a tweet to its bank unions to call off the nationwide bank strike in the interest of its esteemed customers. Central Bank of India asked the unions to advise its members to channelize maximum efforts towards excelling in their performance for the overall growth of the bank. Management of banks and the Indian Banks Association are reaching out to UFBU for addressing their demands and concerns and arriving at an amicable solution, Bank of India said in a tweet, assuring employees. Members of UFBU include All India Bank Employees Association, All India Bank Officers Confederation, National Confederation of Bank Employees, All India Bank Officers Association, and Bank Employees Confederation of India. Others are Indian National Bank Employees Federation, Indian National Bank Officers Congress, National Organization of Bank Workers, and National Organization of Bank Officers. Punjab National Bank appealed to its staff and officers unions to withdraw their proposed strike. Earlier in the day, the finance minister, in a reply to the Lok Sabha, said the Cabinet Committee on Privatization is yet to decide 2 candidates for privatization. The government had in Budget 2021-22 announced its intent to take up privatization of 2 PSBs or public sector banks during the year and approval of a policy of strategic disinvestment of public sector enterprises. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.